Good day to everyone. I am Dr. Subhash Chandra, working as a professor in Department of Pediatrics, NC Medical College, Panipat. I am also a board member in the AOA, the Ashotech Net Society, Crossing Republic. As a being health professional, I would like to highlight some important things regarding the health, and it's related so many things. How can we maintain a good health? As you know, the health is very important now these days. In the corona period, we can understand the value of health. So what are the important factors which determines the good health? There is just 4 pillars for the good health. One is the good nutrition. This is the first pillar, that is the good nutrition. And good nutrition is required for everyone, right from the first day of life till the end of the life. Why we stress upon the good nutrition in early life? Because it is a foundation for the good health. And what are the important nutrients and foodstuffs are required over the period of its lifespan? Number 1 is more important, that is the breast milk and mother milk, which is recommended by all the authorities, that right from the first day to at least 6 months of age, every mother should give the breastfeeding to the baby, because breastfeeding is a complete nutrition. And this is also a foundation for the good health. And from 6 months onward, we start the natural food items like cereals and vegetables, fruits, and so many food stuff which are included in our diet. This diet is known as balanced diet, which provide a good nutrition to the good health, which include every important component of the nutrition. So, what is good nutrition? Good nutrition includes everything which is important for the good health, and it is explained very well by this the pyramid. The top of it should be oil, ghee, butter. Second is the dairy product and non-vegetarian source of the food. Third is the pulses, beans and fruit and vegetable. Then cereals and water. So if this nutrition is under, child develop or the individual develop the undernutrition. 14% of the children in India are undernourished. So that is a big population, and these 14% children are the future of the nation. So their health has to be taken care with the knowledge of the individual, with the knowledge of the family, with the knowledge of the society, or knowledge of the organization, knowledge of the government. If we see not only the undernutrition, we are also getting the nutrition over. So our food pyramid is becoming inverted. We taking the less water, we take having so many diseases related to all this nutrition. So just we correct the nutrition, we can avoid so many diseases in our body. We take a brief note about the diseases. Undernutrition leading to the anemia, vitamins deficiency, growth deficiency, not gaining height appropriately. If we look at the overnutrition, we find there is a obesity leading to the joint capital in the world about the diabetes. So blood pressure, diabetes, hypertension, vitamin deficiency, undernutrition, these all encompass the so many diseases which can. Important pillar for the health is the regular exercise. This regular exercise, if I ask to you, you will say, yes, we know that what is regular exercise. But how many of you do? Hardly few hands will raise that I do. So, regular exercise very important in junction with good nutrition to maintain the good health. And what are the recommendations for exercise? In adult, it is 40 minutes per day, 5 days a week at least. 3 days cardio and 3 days the stretching of the
the bones, joints. If you took about the example of children, they are not advised for the very planned exercise, but they should do regular playing. Regular playing, and another aspect of this is sports. So now these days you will see so many schools is highlighting that we have 1 hour, 2 hour exclusively dedicated for the sport. So that is the part of the exercise. So good exercise, good nutrition is a foundation for the good health.
Third important aspect for this good health is how to maintain is the
As a nature, you will find that the newborn or the baby who are small, 6 months or 1 year, they sleep around 15 to 18 hours. Why it is so? Because their brain development is important. They do not have to do the hard work. They do not have to do something. So they just take the feed and sleep. Just take the feed and sleep. But as the age progress, sleep decrease. Why decrease? Because body get started to do some work for the self, for the society, for the community, and for the family. So that sleep is decreased. But as the age further progress, like from the 60 plus, you will find people hardly sleep 4 hours or 3 hours. That is the brain atrophy started, and brain does not require more sleep. And body also requires less sleep. So if we say how much sleep is important, that is 8 hours for everyone as adult being. For children, 12 hours to 16 hours at least. And for newborn, it is 18 to 20 hours. What is the side effect or bad effect of the sleep over the body? If you take less sleep, you will get irritated. So when you will get irritated, you will go to the office, you will get irritated for your work because you have the lack of sleep. And this irritation will affect everything in your office. If you are good sleep, you will wake up in a happy mind and you will do things happily. If you sleeping more, it means either so you will do work very lazily, you will forget the things, and you will not effectively perform anywhere in family, in organization, or the society. So sleep is having very important role. Then is the positive mental attitude. This is the last and important pillar for the health, but also for the everything what we do in our life. For the health, positive mental attitudes help us to grow well, to work well, to behave well. And if have the negative attitudes, we become the lazy attitude, work very well, even with the in combination with our hormones which liberated in our body is more good the people who has the more positive mental attitude. So that is the all 4 pillars I have briefly told about these for the maintenance of a good health. Thank you very much.